Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve digital transformation with Salesforce easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, identify your organization's specific digital transformation goals. Gather input from all stakeholders to ensure alignment. Evaluate your current systems and data management processes. Determine the key pain points and areas for improvement. Next, take a look at Salesforce's core functionalities. Familiarize yourself with Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. Each cloud offers unique tools tailored for different departments. Consider integrating Salesforce with existing software solutions. This integration will streamline operations and improve data flow. Begin with training your team on Salesforce fundamentals. Utilize Salesforce's Trailhead platform for comprehensive learning resources. Encourage team members to complete relevant modules and certifications. Now, customize Salesforce to fit your business needs. Utilize customization options such as creating custom fields and objects. Set up workflows and automation to enhance efficiency. Leverage Salesforce's reporting tools to track progress and outcomes. Regularly review the data insights to measure success. Involve your team in feedback sessions to adapt strategies continuously. Remember to stay flexible and open to changes as your business evolves. As you implement these steps, keep communication open with your team. This will ensure everyone is on the same page regarding progress and challenges. Celebrate small wins along the way to maintain motivation. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your digital transformation journey with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.